Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your UPS tracking shows you the clearance information required, this video is going to explain what exactly it means and what you should do in 2026. So this status appears when your package is held customs and UPS needs more information to clear it for delivery. This usually happens with international shipments. Customs authorities require details before allowing the package to enter the country. So it can include the things like a commercial invoice, the item description, value of goods or identity documents such as ID or tax number depending on your country. Sometimes it may also require the payment of custom duties or import taxes before the package can move forward. So you need to check your email address and your phone messages because UPS usually try to contact the receiver or the sender asking for the required documents. So make sure that you respond quickly to avoid any further delays. You can also go to the UPS tracking page and look for the instructions or upload options. In many cases, there will be a link to submit the documents directly. If you are the receiver, you can contact the sender as well. Some documents can only be provided by the shipper, especially invoices or the product related details. If no action is taken, your package may stay on hold or even be returned to the sender. So the faster you provide the required information, the faster your package will be cleared. So if this video helped you understand the meaning of this particular statement, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.